Welcome to our session on vector drawing tools in Photoshop. Today, we'll explore how these tools enable the creation of scalable shapes and designs, enhancing your ability to produce high-quality graphics. The pen tool in Photoshop is essential for creating precise paths. These paths can be used to draw shapes or select specific areas, offering great control over your design elements. Shape tools in Photoshop allow you to create basic geometric shapes such as rectangles, circles, and polygons. These tools are fundamental for building structured and clean designs. The Custom Shape tool provides access to a variety of preset shapes and the flexibility to create your own. This tool expands your creative possibilities by offering unique design options. The Path Selection tool selects entire paths for editing or repositioning. The Direct Selection tool allows you to manipulate individual anchor points of a path. Vector paths are scalable, meaning they can be resized without losing quality. In conclusion, vector drawing tools are crucial for producing sharp, scalable graphics. Mastering these tools will enhance your ability to design clean, high-quality images and shapes. Thank you for joining the session.